In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image with text overlay in a Mailchimp email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a striking image in your email with text sitting neatly on top. Perfect for headlines, promotions, or a clear call to action. I'll keep it simple, explain each step, and share a few helpful tips so your design looks polished and professional. First, head to Mailchimp and go to the campaign section. This is where all your email projects live. Find the campaign you'd like to work on and open it. If you're managing several campaigns, it can help to name them clearly so they're easy to spot later. Once your campaign is open, click Edit Design. This takes you into Mailchimp's Content Builder, where you can add and fine-tune the elements that make up your email. Think of this as your canvas for layout, images, and text. In the Content Blocks panel, choose the Image plus Text Overlay block. Depending on your template, you might see an option called Image Card instead. Either one lets you place text on top of an image. Select the block to add it to your layout, and position it in the section where you want that visual highlight to appear. Next, upload your image. Choose a high-quality graphic that supports your message and looks crisp on both desktop and mobile. Horizontal images with a clean focal point work especially well for overlays. Keep file sizes reasonable so your email loads quickly, and aim for strong contrast where text will sit. Areas with simple backgrounds tend to read best. Now, type your text in the overlay text box. Keep it concise and impactful, focusing on the key message you want readers to take away. A short headline or a clear value proposition works great here. If your brand has a particular voice or tagline, this is a good place to use it for consistency. Finally, adjust the text position, color, and size. Move the text so it sits against a background area that provides good contrast. Choose colors that meet accessibility standards. Dark text on light backgrounds or light text on dark backgrounds is dependable. And size the text so it's readable on small screens without overwhelming the image. As you tweak these settings, watch the live preview to ensure everything feels balanced. Aim for enough breathing room so the image still shines while your message remains crystal clear. That's it. You've added an image with a clean, readable text overlay inside your Mailchimp campaign.